Okay, my name is Nnamdi Nwigwe. I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how you're going to use Microsoft Office Picture Manager just to edit some things, it's not just a kind of a large or big advanced features in it, just a quick tutorial, a quick sample. Maybe if you want to crop your picture, you want to change the color, so you can just change the size and just get your job done. Depends on what you want to do, because if you need any other advanced feature on picture management, you can get any other software that you like, but every other computer that comes with Microsoft Office packages should have Microsoft Office Picture Manager. In that case, it could help you to actually trim your picture, change the size. Like if you want to submit any passport, or you're filling something online and they ask you, this is the particular kilobyte we want on this particular picture, and this is the particular dimension that we want on the picture, so you can be able to get it done. If you want to change the color intensity, or if you make it brighter, or maybe change it to black and white or something like that. So if you want to start, so this is the exact picture we're going to open your picture with Microsoft Office Picture Manager in your computer. Just right click on the picture you see, open with Microsoft Office. So once you open it, you click on edit picture. Click on edit picture. From the sidebar here, the first line you have is your brightness and contrast, the second line is your color, then you have your crop and your rotate and your red eye and resize and compress picture. So let's just start from the brightness. Click on the brightness. You have your midtone here. Midtone comprises of the contrast and your brightness. So if you adjust it minus, it goes darker. If you increase it, it goes brighter, leaving the color of the picture the way it is, just going to make it brighter or contrasted for you. Okay, so this is it, or you can change it more brighter. Okay, if you don't want to use your midtone, you can just be using your brightness and contrast one by one, depends on what exactly that you want. You can put it back to 0, take it back again. Okay, we just use the contrast. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's say we can go with something like that. So once you set it up, adjust the brightness and contrast, the settings that you want, just go and click save. Make sure you click save, so it will automatically save for you. Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, you can go back. So you have color, you have crop. Okay, let's say I want to crop this picture. I just want to remove some of the edges. You click on crop. Okay, let's go to color first. You go to use our color, and you have your mount, you have your width, you have your sanctuary. So if I want to set this particular picture to any other color, let's try and find out the color that your Microsoft Office Picture Manager is going to give us. So go here. So you have your saturation. You can make it all down to -100. You can increase it. See, it takes effect, depends on what you want to use it to. You can comprise so many other pictures here, maybe blend it and put it into animation. It depends. So people will actually see, wow, it's actually changing from different color to another different color, the same picture. So Microsoft Office Picture Manager can equally do that for you. Okay, what if I want to change this particular to just black and white? So if you down here, so you can crease this, then you have your mount, you can change it. So I have my picture on black and white. Just kind of a simple setups that you have in your computer. Sometimes I like making use of them because it's easy. So I understand you can make a couple of more pictures like this, and maybe save one from this, 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 from those who actually use animation. You can just combine them and do what you want to do with it. Okay, so actually there's so many other colors with it. So as you can see, change so many other colors. Okay, so we'll continue. So we just have to put it back to the way it is. Put it back to the way it is. Okay, so back to color. So we'll go back again. So we have the crop here. So if you want to crop, so while cropping it, you just watch the dimension. So if you ask to put it to any dimension exactly in pixels, so you can be able to crop it. Okay, let's say I want to put this to 500 by 500. If I look here, I'm saying 560 and 588. So I wanted 500 by 500. Okay, first of all, you drag it up or you drag it down, depends on how you want to drag it. Okay, you come down. I'm looking for 500 by 500. Yeah. Okay. You watch the both sides so that the picture is not going to be one side. In, and I think I have to take this back a little bit. Okay. Show both sides. Yeah, got something like this again. This way, something like this place. Alright, so we have 500, 500. Then when you finish, you click your OK. So this picture returns 500 by 500. So go and click your save so that it will be saved on your computer. So that is it. You can go back again. So you have your resized picture. The next is your resized picture. I've already cropped it to 500 by 500. So if I want to put a custom size resizing in it, if I want to crop it by custom way, you could just custom width and custom height. You can be able to say that maybe I want it to be 200 by 200 again, so that I don't have to waste all my time. Then I click OK again to make it 200 by 200. If you're using something like a passport, so you can make it 150 by 150. Click here OK. So I got a small passport here. Okay, so that is it. You click on save, click OK. So you can go back again. So I have compressed picture. So I have the size of this picture. The original size of the picture is 63.0 kilobytes. So if I want to weight it more, like if somebody says I don't want the size to be more than 30 kilobytes, you can, from here you can set it up. You choose your document, the size reduced to 163 kilobytes. So you can just leave it the way it is. So make it document again. Here you can make it to web pages. The size I want you to compress it to web pages so that I can be able to use it as a web pages. So I have my 31.3 kilobyte. That's smaller for you. So I have by email 6 point something. Okay, so you can just leave it on this, or you can just leave it on this, and just leave it on that, and just click your OK, and your picture will be what's compressed. So that is it. So if you click save now and upload the picture, it will be that exact size that you have already actually applied in it. So that is a kind of a slide picture. So you have your rotating here. You can rotate your picture upside down and how you want to do it. So you have it. So you can just, once you finish, you click on your save and upload your picture. So that is a small effect that you have in your Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So thank you.